I've pretty much done all the modding that I'm gonna do to this 2020 Yamaha MT09. But there is a mod on here that I absolutely have to do that I haven't done yet. And I'm surprised I haven't gotten pulled over by the cops when I've driven this bike at night, because I do not have a license plate light on here. And I'm going to install that today. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy on this bike. And there's actually 2 ways to do it. So stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Make sure to visit CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with all my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
If you haven't seen my video on how to install the Fender Eliminator Kit, including this taillight with integrated turn signals, I'll include that video link in the description and comment section of this video. So you want to do that first. And this Fender Eliminator Kit is made by TST Industries. I have a link to that in the description and comment section of this video. And the tail light that I'll be installing is a universal tail light that I got from TST Industries. As you see here, just simply comes with the light that affixes on the license plate, and it has these connectors which are really awesome and makes the job really easy to do.
Before I get started, I want you to check out some gear to help keep you safe.
I want you guys to stay safe out there. Make sure you get an airbag vest. This is going to help protect your spine, your vital organs, help stabilize your neck, keep you from having a real effed up day. I have a link to this one that I never leave home without in the description and comment section of this video, along with my other gear, like my most favorite helmet, carbon fiber helmet with auto tint shield, my motovlog camera, Sedici jacket, gloves, boots, all my gear. But first step, what I'm going to do, there's 2 options. You can use the wires under the seat here and kind of connect them through there and then route the wires down through here. But what I'm going to do is just make it really easy. I'm just going to use the wire that's underneath here that's not being used. This is the stock wiring here for the stock Fender that I took off, of course, because I installed the Fender Eliminator Kit. But you can use this wiring here. So I'm just going to use this. I did test this with the license plate light to make sure that it works. So I just basically took these wires here and matched them up here. If you pull the sheeting back, you can see one's a brown and one's the black ground wire. And then I put the license plate light wires in there, and it did light up, so it works fine. So this is, in my opinion, the easiest way to do this. That way you don't even have to go back in here and crap around and look for the wire that you need. Bam, it's right here. And this is not being used anyhow, so you might as well go ahead and use it. So basically, you're going to take this here, and you're going to stick this on the back of the license plate there. And then we're going to use these wire connectors that it comes with. I'm going to show you how to do it. First step is to go ahead and remove the license plate. Okay, now that I took the license plate off, I'm going to put some rubbing alcohol on the license, on the back of the license plate where I'm going to install the light. See, here's the stick here. It's going to go just like this. And just go ahead and reinstall the license plate. Okay, the next step is we're going to peel this sheeting back here. So just take a scissor and cut that some so we can get access to the wire. Okay, of course the black is the negative, the ground, and the brown is positive. And it comes with these 2 connectors that makes things really easy. Here, so you just take this off here, stick the wire on there, put that on, and then turn it. And then the top piece you loosen up, then you stick the license plate wire in here, and then you screw it down, and that's it. Okay, just take that, slide it on there like that, stick the top on there, screw it down, and you loosen the top part there, Go ahead and stick that in there. And tighten it down. See that? Nice tight connection. All right. And we do the same for the other side. Nice and tight. So there you go. Look at that. You can always revert back to stock at any time by just taking these connectors off. Okay, now let's turn the bike on and see if this works. Make sure this works okay. There you go. Works good. Look at that. Actually, I think I'll take this, the wiring up here, lift this up and take the excess and tuck it in here. Okay, but just to show you how these easily come off here and how you can revert back to stock is just simply loosen this, loosen that, wire comes right out. See that? Bam. Loosen this. Comes right the bottom off. There. It comes off. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? And then you can just put it back here, and you can put it back to stock anytime. So we'll fold all this up. This wiring here. You could zip tie that, I guess, if you wanted to, but it'll tuck up there and hold it real nice up here. Okay, so there we go. Wire's nice and tucked up there, nice and snug. There's a wire there. It's got some free play there, like I said, to accommodate the suspension going up and down while you're riding. And let's turn it on, just make sure it works. All right, now we just got to put this cover back on here and put that back on. Just slides right on there like that. Make sure you put that spacer back. See that white, that little metal spacer I put in there? Make sure you put that back. Okay. Okay. And we put the push pin back in. You have to reset it. Just push it up like that. Stick it in here. Bam. Thumbs up to TST Industries for their license plate light. Of course, you got the TST Industry tail light with integrated turn signals. The Fender Eliminator Kit. Look at that. Yeah. Looks good, doesn't it? Nice. Look at these TST Industry turn signals. Nice. There is an installation video that TST Industries did on these, so you might want to go check that out. See here? Nice, look at that, nice and bright. Got the daytime running light. Nice. Check it out. Looking proper. This bike is awesome, boy. Yeah. Telling you. The Yamaha MT09. I'll tell you guys, for the urban streets, you know, and just cruising out here and hitting the throttle here and there, I'll tell you, this is an absolutely amazing bike for that, man. It's got nice bottom end grunt torque, pull you 0 to 100 properly, nice and fast and fun. It's not a top end bike. If you want the top end, you want to go with the MT10, but I don't want top end, dude. I want for the streets, I want torque and power 0 to 100. That's what I want. That's what this bike has, and it's fun. Really fun bike to cruise on. Nice upright seating position. Fairly lightweight bike. What is this bike modded? I think it's like, what, 410 pounds or less? Absolutely amazing bike. By the way, the links for all the mods I've done on this bike are in the description and comment section of this video, or at my website at CycleCruza.com. Click on the menu tab, My Mods. I have the camera mount here. The smartphone mount here, absolutely awesome. Like I said, the ECU flasher, to really make this bike come alive. It flashes that ECU. Very simple and easy to do yourself. I did a video, a how-to video on how to do that. I'll include the video link in the description and comment section of this video. Also, I did a how to install full exhaust on this MT09. Go check that video out. Links in the description and comment section of this video. Yeah, guys, got lots of motor vlogs, lots of motorcycle videos coming. Subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.